Let me show you how I create a seamless pattern in Canva using these images in Canva. I'm going to go ahead and open this new page right here. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the size. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to go ahead and center it right here in the middle. Once I get the size I like, it's up to you guys what size you want them. I'm going to go ahead and just give it a little tilt right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and choose my next image. This image, I'm going to try to resize it almost the same and tilt it. And then this is going to be my corner image. This image is going to go on all four sides. And you know when it locks, when you see these lines right here at the edge, these purple lines on the top edge and then the right edge right here. Then we're going to go ahead and duplicate this one. And we're going to go ahead and bring it down to this corner. And we're going to do the same thing, lock it in. Once you see those lines, purple lines on the edges, that means it's locked in. And I'm going to go ahead and see. You could also see if it's centered when you use the alignment selection. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this one, adjust the size, tilt it a little bit. I like to tilt them, but it's up to you. You could leave them as they are. And then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate and bring it down here, align it. I'm going to align it. And then this is my last image. I'm going to use it, resize it. And then these are going to go to the edges right here, to the left and to the right. Once they are aligned, I'm going to go ahead and finish up with this one right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and open in the information here, and then you could see that it has its own collection of images that mix and match. I'm going to go ahead and use this heart and adjust the size, and I'm going to use this bow and also adjust its size right here just to fill in the blanks around my other images. I'm going to make them smaller than the other images. I'm going to duplicate this heart and I'm going to duplicate this bow. I'm going to try to change the color, but I'm just deciding that I'm just going to leave the same color. I'm going to duplicate it right here, and there it is. So this is pretty much my seamless pattern, and I'm just going to go ahead and download it as a transparent background, as a PNG. So I'm going to download it. Once I have it downloaded, I'm going to open a new page, and here I'm going to adjust the size of this, and I'm going to duplicate it 3 more times. And this is a seamless pattern right here. If you want it smaller, just go ahead and resize it and duplicate them, group them and duplicate them. And as you could see, there is no seam line, but make sure you download them as a transparent background and as a PNG so you do not get no seam lines. Once we have that, this is our whole image right here. It's a transparent background, so you could change the background, change the color of the background. This is the pink, but you could change it to any other color. You could adjust the size, it make it bigger right here. So your image, you can make it as large or as small as you want and change the background using these steps. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.